Welcome to the Earth's Magnetic Field Lab. In this experiment, we will be measuring the magnitude and direction of Earth's magnetic field at this location.
This is a dip needle. It is essentially a compass with a fixed angle indicator.
This is a zero Gauss chamber. It is used to tare the magnetic field sensor and is particularly important for this lab due to the small magnetic fields involved.
Attach the clamp to the table. Try to keep it away from the computer and the data acquisition interface to minimize magnetic interference. Once attached, fix the metal rod to the clamp as shown.
Attach the rotary motion sensor to the rod. Slide the magnetic field sensor assembly onto the rotary motion sensor axle. Note that the key must be lined up in order to do this.
Plug the rotary motion sensor into the first two digital ports of the data acquisition interface and the magnetic field sensor into analog channel A.
Adjust the rotary motion sensor assembly such that the magnetic field sensor rotates in a horizontal circle. Place the dip needle directly under the apparatus.
Turn the entire rotary motion sensor assembly such that the case is aligned with the dip needle and tighten it.
Remove the dip needle so its magnetic field doesn't interfere. Turn the magnetic field sensor perpendicular to the rotary motion sensor. Slide the zero Gauss chamber over the wand and zero the magnetic field sensor by pressing tare. Ensure that the magnetic field sensor is set to axial and the range is set to 100 times. In both parts of this experiment, when collecting data, perform at least 5 runs so you can average them.
Now it's time to collect some data. Press Start in Data Studio and rotate the magnetic field sensor through 360 degrees, ensuring that you rotate in the direction causing positive angles. You may need to practice your technique to get data as smooth as possible.
Adjust the rotary motion sensor assembly such that the magnetic field sensor can rotate in a vertical circle and tighten it. Hold the magnetic field sensor wand horizontally, slide the zero Gauss chamber over it, and press tare.
As before, press Start in Data Studio, this time turning the rotary motion sensor through a vertical circle of 360 degrees. Again, make sure to rotate in the direction causing positive angles.
We hope you enjoyed the Earth's Magnetic Field Lab. And remember, if you lose your way while writing your lab report, let the Earth's magnetic field guide you, provided that you're not near a stronger magnetic field source like a mountain or a large piece of metal.